Hey guys, welcome to the Kumeu Classic Car and Hot Rod Festival. Now, got a lot to show you guys in the next few days. Today's video is video number 1 of many coming over the next couple of days, as I said. Today we're going to be checking out all the showroom cars. That's just opened the doors now, so we've got a few garages that we're going to go through and check out all the showroom cars for today. I may actually come up and have a look at these lowriders too, so that'll be video number 1 for today. So we got a lot to cover the next couple of days. Got as you see, there's a lot here to go over, so let's get into this. Let's see what we got in here. Oh, these are looking good. Oh wow, look at these. Where do I begin? Wow, where do I begin? Okay, we'll start here. Come back to these ones. Oh, motor in that thing. And yeah, they've just opened the doors to the showroom, so this will be the first video of a series of videos coming to you the next couple of days. Got the public display to do, and we also got all the club cars all around the paddock area too, so this is going to be a good one. That's nice. And get it all in there. This is a wild machine. Wow. Nice roadster. Very cool. There's good old road hog. Nice road hog. That's cool. Interesting looking car. Awesome. Cool 32 Roadster.
And look at that tree.
Now you found your way up here?
Yep.
Got Mirko's Roadster here. I think it's a 32 Roadster. Pretty sure it is. Am I right? Yep, I am. We've got a few garages to go through. This is just number 1. That's cool. God, look at the size of the engine on this one. Oh, 34? Yes, it is a 34. Awesome. Well, go on. Try and fit this thing in the shot. Big cars. Awesome. Oh, that's neat. Cool. Go check out the next garage.
Yeah.
Garage number 2. Oh, nice line here. Very cool. Makes it easier. Nice roadster. Very cool. Nice. It's a pretty cool truck. Cool, do a walk around. Alright, we'll check out the next one. A few old classic race cars in here. Have a look at these. Pretty cool sidecar bike. These are neat. All classic race cars and race bikes as well. That's cool. Now we've got a few hearses. That's neat. And barely fits in the shot there. So big. It's a nice hearse as well. This is pretty cool. I like this. Neat. Oh, let's carry on. What we got over here? More race cars, it looks like. Just a couple race cars in this one. Cool. A bit of a stall in here as well. Another stall in here. Let's have a look at these. Some pretty cool project cars here. And have a look. That's pretty cool. Some pretty neat project cars in here. The artwork's pretty cool. And over here we have a NASCAR truck. That thing is an angry sounding vehicle. And look who we have here. You gonna talk more for us? Good old kit. Child's getting the photo taken. Do a walk around.
Television series My Life. Be sure to watch me perform some of the most remarkable stunts imaginable.
My dad's got 5 of these, by the way.
That's awesome.
I can't answer any of your individual questions because I am programmed only to give out information about myself just now.
Oh, that's good to know. Thank you for that. And this angry thing here. Still talking at us. That's cool. That's all the showroom cars done. Let's go have a look at these ones over here. Bit of a party going on out here. Awesome. Just a massive party going on here today. Definitely honoured to be able to cover this. As you've seen all my other ones, this is definitely one of the biggest ones I've done, will be doing. Be here for the whole weekend, getting as much in as I possibly can. That's awesome. Very cool. Oh, what else can we find? We'll go up and have a look at these low riders, and I think that'll call it for today. So tomorrow we'll be going out in the field and having a look at all the Publix cars that they brought in, and then we're going to go hunting for some car clubs. That'll probably might even be individual videos for just the clubs alone. There's so much here. So we'll go up, have a look at up here, and then that'll be the end of this video. So stay tuned for many more videos coming throughout the next few days. Hope you enjoyed all these videos. Remember to like, comment and subscribe to the channel for more exclusive footage of the Kumeu show. Let's have a look at all these lowriders. As I said, there's a lot here. So within the next, probably tomorrow, another video will be going for just a wander around, just checking out everything. Probably give you a full tour of the place. Well, 32nd.
Start off by thanking our sponsors. Without them, it wouldn't be possible.
There's neat lowriders. But that's not lowrider. Nice Mercury Cougar. Oh, we got some live entertainment on the stage for 3 o'clock too. So as I said, a massive party going on here today. So yeah, another video will definitely go for a full-on wander around the whole place, and I'll give you a full tour. So that'll be coming to you in the next day or so. So as they've got all the Publix cars to cover and all the car clubs to do as well. So that'll be interesting to try and find all them. Absolutely amazing show. Great turnout. So guys, this will be the end of this video. Until the next one, you'll see within the next day. So remember to like, comment and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this to come in the next few days. So thanks again guys, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.